Hello folks, I'm here in my 96 Honda Civic. This is the same as 96 through 2000. Some of the older ones might be similar as well. And I've got a problem behind the dash here where this heater control panel is. The lights that will make this shine during the evening, when your lights are on, the light bulbs have burned out. So when it's nighttime and I'm driving, I can't see anything here. So I'm just kind of feeling around, and I've got to know which key is which. So I'm going to take the dash apart and show you how to replace those light bulbs. So the first thing we'll take off is this glove box panel. I've got a mirror here. There's two screws here. That's one. This screw and this one right here have to come out, and then the whole panel, the whole box will come out. There's one, and two. Now that those two screws are off, you want to hold the bottom, but you can just pull this out. So now our glove box is out. Now we're going to take out this panel, and there's a screw down here. So just get your screwdriver or your drill. And you'll want to keep track of your screws because these things are easily lost. I'm going to put mine in my cup holder. And then there's another screw right down here, just above the gas pedal. There's one other screw holding this panel in right here above your turn signal, just below your vents. Let's take that out. Okay, now we're gonna pull this panel off. I've got an aftermarket cruise control lever on there, so I've got some wires behind that you won't have. And there are clips that hold this panel in that aren't screws, but they clip into holes. I'll show you those when we pull them out. Here's one of them. You wanna come up here? Here's one of the clips, here's one of the clips. And there's the same thing on the other side, but you just gotta pull those out. Just gotta pull, and they'll come out, and you see that there's my wire for the cruise control. So if you don't have that, you can just take your panel, get it out of the way. But now that these two panels are off, we've got to take these two center panels off. These are real easy. That way when we take the screws out of this panel, it can come out. First thing you want to do is take your shift knob off, or whatever your shifter is. Now we need to take off the back panel first. There's two screws, they're both on either side, right down here. One here and one on this side. So take those out, and you'll need a screwdriver. Your drill probably won't reach in there. Now that those screws are out, I can pull this panel out, and you want to lift your shift gear there. Take that out, so that's out of the way. And then we have got to take this panel out. There's 4 screws. You can see them. There's 2 here and 2 on the opposite side. So you just take those 4 out. And then this panel just slides back and out. It just pops out like that. Take that out. Now we're going to take off this panel. And there are 2 screws underneath. Take those out. And those screws are a little different length than the other ones, so I'm going to put those in a different spot. Now those 2 screws are out. We've got a screw here, right behind the glove box. So that's got to come out. And there's one on the other side. Now that I've got most of the screws out of this one, I just take these 2 screws out that I mentioned earlier. Take those final 2 screws out. And this one over here. And this whole panel come out now. And this panel will come out. And the only wire that's connected is to your cigarette lighter. And pull off that connector to the cigarette lighter. Now let me show you how to get to those bulbs once you've got the dash taken apart like I've got there. So let me take you down here behind the dash. The 2 bulbs that need to be replaced are that one. See where my screwdriver is, where that black wire is, and then just on the other side here, it's probably hard to see. So what I need to do is grab some needle nose pliers and pull those out. The 2 pliers that I've been using are these really, really thin ones. Long and thin, that's for the one that's farthest on the passenger side. And then these here that have some grooves in them, and they'll pull a little bit better. But the bulbs aren't in there real tight. Okay, you can see that I've got those light bulb switches out, or those light bulbs out. But there it is, and you can see that it's got a blue bulb attached inside there. Here are the replacement bulbs. You'll notice that those don't have the little blue covers on the top of them. I think that makes the light slightly different, but those cost a lot more. That way, this package was about $5. They're about $5 to $10 per bulb if you buy them with a blue cover, so we're just gonna go with these. All right, you can see that I've got the light bulbs in, one in each. Got this one in here, and this one in there. Now you can see that I've got the light bulbs plugged back into the sockets. And there we go, beautiful. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you found this useful. There we have it, project's complete, interior is restored.